Good morning, students. See, in the last class, we have completed the unit number 2, that is solutions. Solutions. Is it clear? Now, as I have told, we will come to the discussion of new chapter or new unit, that is in organic chemistry, haloalkanes and haloarenes. Unit number 10. Unit number 10. Haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloalkanes and haloarenes. Is it clear? See, first let us see what are haloalkanes. See, you know alkanes. Alkanes are the saturated hydrocarbons having the general formula CN H2N plus 2. Alkanes are the saturated hydrocarbons having the general formula CN H2N plus 2. Or generally it is represented as RH. RH. R is an alkyl group obtained by the removal of this hydrogen atom, one hydrogen atom. For example, if you are having methane CH4, so from this if you remove one hydrogen, you are going to get methyl group, alkyl group. Is it right? Similarly, C2H6, from this if you remove one hydrogen, you are going to have C2H5, ethyl group, and C3H8. So from this, if you remove one hydrogen, you are going to get C3H7 propyl group. And here, in this propyl group, it may be N propyl, that is CS3, CH2, CH2, one empty valency, or it may be isopropyl group, CS3, CH, CS3, like that one. Is it clear? See, whatever it may be, these alkyl groups, when they are attached with again hydrogen, R, this is R, and this is H. So, when you attach a hydrogen to the alkyl group, what will happen? It will become alkane. RH is alkane. RH is alkane. Now, in the name itself, halo means halogen. Halo means halogen. Means in alkanes, if you replace hydrogen atom or atoms, ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕಬಹುದು, ಎರಡು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು, ಮೂರು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕಿ ಅದರ ಬದಲಿ ಆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೌದಾ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Is it clear? Replace ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So ಆವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ haloalkanes. So then how to define haloalkanes? Haloalkanes are the halogen derivatives of alkanes. Haloalkanes are the halogen derivatives of alkanes. How they are obtained? Obtained by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atom or atoms by respective number of halogen atom or atoms. Then they are called as haloalkanes. ಹೌದಾ? ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರಿ ಅದರ ಬದಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರಿ. ಎರಡು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರಿ ಎರಡು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಮೂರು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರಿ ಮೂರು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. So therefore replacing one or more hydrogen atom or atoms by respective number of halogen atom or atoms we get haloalkanes. Is it clear? So first let us see what are haloalkanes. See, haloalkanes are the halogen derivatives of alkanes obtained by the replacement of hydrogen atom. Alright, hydrogen atom or in the bracket atoms. Bracket ನೋಡಿ guess ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದೇ ಇತ್ತು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ atom ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಂತೀವಿ. ಎರಡ ಮೂರ ನಾಲ್ಕ ಇದುಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ನೀವು ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕಾಕ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ hydrogen atoms ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಂತೀವಿ. See, by the replacement of hydrogen atom or atoms by halogen atom or atoms. See, they are nothing but haloalkanes. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. So haloalkanes ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಇದೆ haloalkanes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೆಯುವ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Is it clear? Haloalkanes. What are haloalkanes? Haloalkanes are the halogen derivatives of alkanes. Obtained by the replacement of hydrogen atom or atoms by halogen atom or atoms. Is it right? How to represent it? See, as I have told, if you write RH, what it is? It is alkane. RH is alkane. Then what to do? You have to remove the halogen. Now actually I have to put minus H. Hydrogen ಹೊರಗೆ in other way ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? See, in place of that one you have to substitute X. Here X means in organic chemistry X means halogen. Either it may be fluorine or it may be chlorine or it may be bromine or iodine. So what you are going to get? You are going to get RX. So RX is what? RX is general formula, representation of haloalkane. General formula of haloalkanes is RX. General formula of haloalkanes is RX. So it is haloalkane. Is it clear? ಗೊತ್ತಾತಂದ್ರಿ? What are haloalkanes? Haloalkanes are the halogen derivatives of alkanes obtained by the replacement of hydrogen atom or atoms by halogen atom or atoms. Now, let us come to next point of discussion, that is haloarenes. What are haloarenes? Haloarenes. See, haloarenes. Haloarenes are the halogen derivatives of Henry aromatic hydrocarbon. Aromatic hydrocarbon ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? Benzene. Is it clear? Haloarenes are the halogen derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbons. How they are obtained? Obtained by the replacement of. So once again here also, hydrogen atom or atoms by halogen atom or atoms. Halogen atom or atoms. Is it right? So what are haloarenes? Haloarenes are the halogen derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbons obtained by the replacement of hydrogen atom or atoms by halogen atom or atoms. Is it clear? So here also the general representation of aromatic hydrocarbon is ARH. AR means aryl group. Aryl group ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? Say for example, if you write C6H6 is benzene, or you may write say benzene ring in this fashion. We are trying it like this one. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಡುವೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ. ಹೌದಾ? So hexagonal ring with alternate double bond and single bond, benzene. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ C6H5. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದ ಅರೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಯಾವುದು? ಫಿನೈಲ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆರ್ ಅರೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆರ್ ಅರೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we have to write it like this one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೊಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸಿರಿ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಂತಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ C6H6. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you have to show here empty valency. ಈ ರೀತಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಅದರ ಬದಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ then we call it as haloarene. So therefore here also what to do? First you have to remove the hydrogen. And in the place of that hydrogen, if you substitute halogen, what we are going to get? We are going to get ARX, that is haloarene. So therefore it is arene. or aromatic hydrocarbon. Aromatic hydrocarbon. And what it is? It is haloarine. Haloarine. Is it clear? Now, let us come to this is a definition. What are haloalkanes and what are haloarenes? Now, let us come to classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Is it right? See. Classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Next point of discussion. See, first one, we are going to classify these haloalkanes and haloarenes based on number of halogen atoms present in the molecule. Based on number of halogen atoms present in the molecule. Is it clear? See, haloalkanes and haloarenes are first classified based on number of halogen atoms present in the molecule. See, classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. First one, A, capital A, based on classification based on number of halogen atoms. Number of halogen atoms. Is it clear? See. Here, haloalkanes and haloarenes are classified as monohaloalkane, dihaloalkane, trihaloalkane, or polyhaloalkane, or monohaloarine, dihaloarine, trihaloarine, or polyhaloarine, depending upon whether the molecule is having only one halogen atom. Mono means what? Single, only one. Di, di means two. Tri means three. Is it right? If there are many number of halogen atoms, then we call it as polyhalogen compound. Polyhalogen compound. Is it right? See, haloalkanes and haloarenes are classified as mono, di, tri, and polyhaloalkane, or polyhaloarine as there are 1, 2, 3, or many number of halogen atoms, halogen atom or atoms in a molecule, in a molecule, in a molecule. Is it right? So let us take the example. Let us take example for each type. For each type. See. Now, example. Is it right? See. Suppose monohaloalkanes. Monohaloalkanes. Examples you may take CS3, Cl means chloromethane. Then CS3, CH2, Br. That is bromoethane. See, as these molecules, methane, in that only one chlorine atom is there, so therefore chloromethane. This is the derivative of ethane. ಅದರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಇಥೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಅದರ ಬದಲಿ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ atom ಬಂದಿದೆ. So therefore it is called as bromomethane. ठीक है? Then dihaloalkanes. Dihaloalkanes. See here, you can write CH2, Cl2. That is dichloromethane. Or you may have Br, CH2, CH2, Br. That is what? Dibromoethane. 1, 2 dibromoethane. ಒಂದೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಟನಾಗೂ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಐತಿ, ಟನಾಗೂ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಐತಿ. So therefore 1, 2 dibromoethane. Is it right? Then trichloro ಅಥವಾ trihaloalkane. See here, you are going to have CHCl3 chloroform, CHCl3 chloroform ಅಥವಾ trichloromethane. Example. Is it clear? Now we will come to monohaloarine. Monohaloarine. That is, we are going to have benzene ring. Benzene ring. In that, if you replace one hydrogen atom either by chlorine or by bromine or by iodine, all these are monohaloarenes. Monohaloarenes. Is it right? So you can write chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. These are the examples of what? Monohaloarenes. Now, dihaloarene. Arene. See, you have to replace two hydrogen atoms of the benzene either by chlorine or by bromine or by iodine. So here you may have, let me do the examples. This is benzene, in which if you replace two hydrogen atoms of the ortho position by two chlorine atoms, what we are going to get? We are going to get ortho dichlorobenzene. Similarly, you may replace the hydrogen atoms from the meta position. So what we are going to have? Cl. It is metadichlorobenzene. Similarly, you may replace two hydrogen atoms from the para position. So what we are going to have? We are going to have dichlorobenzene. Instead of benzene, this chlorine, you may have bromine. You may have iodine. Is it right? Then trihaloarene. Trihaloarene. So here, example I will give. This one. In benzene, if you replace chlorine, hydrogen atom by 3 chlorine atoms. 1, 2, 3 trichlorobenzene. You may replace all the hydrogen atoms of the benzene by chlorine atoms. So we are going to get what that is hexachlorobenzene. Hexachlorobenzene, or it is also called as gammaxane or BHC, benzene hexachloride. Is it right? See, these are what? These are the examples of monohaloalkanes and monohaloalkane, dihaloalkane, trihaloalkane. Similarly, monohaloarene, dihaloarene, trihaloarene, like that. Now, we will come to classification based on, or you may take classification of monohaloalkanes. Classification of monohaloalkanes. These monohaloalkanes are also called as alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. And these alkyl halides are further classified as primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide, based on the nature of the carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached. Is it clear? See, next is classification of monohaloalkanes. Classification of monohaloalkanes. Monohaloalkanes. Classification of monohaloalkanes. See, is it clear? Monohaloalkanes, alkanes, or these are also called as alkyl halides. Alkyl halides are classified as primary alkyl halide, comma, secondary alkyl halide, comma, tertiary alkyl halide, as the halogen atom is attached to primary, comma, secondary or tertiary carbon atom. Then you may ask, so what are these primary, secondary and tertiary carbon atoms? Primary carbon atom andre yavu, secondary carbon atom andre yavu, tertiary carbon atoms. Then we will look into the examples of primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, and tertiary alkyl halide. Is it clear? See, first let us see what are these primary, secondary, and tertiary carbon atoms. Carbon atoms primary ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅನ್ಬೇಕು, ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅನ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. See, here if you are having only one carbon atom, if you are having only one carbon atom, see, it is always primary carbon atom. It is always primary carbon atom. If a carbon atom is attached to another carbon atom, then also it is primary carbon atom. Carbon atom ಒಂದರ ಇರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಅದು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then if you come to carbon atom attached to two other carbon atoms, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು ನಡುವಿನ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಐತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅವಾಗ if a carbon atom is directly attached to two other carbon atoms, then it is called as secondary carbon atom. Then it is called as secondary carbon atom. This is the secondary carbon atom. Now, tertiary carbon atom means a carbon atom directly attached to three other carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಇನ್ನ ಮೂರು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರಿ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು, ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು. ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ therefore primary alkyl halide, so primary ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ 1 degree. 1 degree means primary. Primary alkyl halide examples. Alkyl halide. Is it clear? See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Here let me write Cl or Br or iodine, or generally you may write CS3X. X ಅಂದ್ರೆ halogen, ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Now let me take Br here. Bromoethane is again primary alkyl halide. Is it right? Now secondary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. See, you have end carbon atoms and all. Terminating carbon atoms. End ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ carbon atoms. They are primary carbon atoms. You have to primary carbon atoms. You have to primary carbon atoms. You can write hydrogen elements. Hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹಲೋಜನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನೋ ತಪ್ಪು. ಯಾಕೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ. It is isopropyl chloride. It is isopropyl chloride or 2-chloropropane. Isopropyl chloride or 2-chloropropane. Is it right? Now, tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide. See, as I have told, the end carbon atoms, terminating carbon atoms are always primary carbon atoms. So, idu primary carbon atom, idu primary carbon atom, idu primary carbon atom. Aga center ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಈ carbon atom ಏನಿದೆ, that carbon atom is tertiary carbon atom because it is directly attached to three other carbon atoms. So therefore, Now let me complete the valencies. CS3. Here CS3. Here CS3. Then let me write Br on the central carbon. So what is the name of this carbon compound? It is tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide, or you may call it as, or you may name it as 2-bromo 2-methyl. ಎರಡನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಗ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಐತಿ, ಎರಡನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಗ ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಐತಿ. ಈಗ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಚೈನ್, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಚೈನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೈನ್ ಕಲ್ಸಿನ ನಾನು. ಹೌದಾ? ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನ, ನಮಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ ನೀವು ಕಲಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೈತಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಚೈನ್, ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಚೈನ್. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? 3 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್, 1 2 3, or 1 2 3. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ನಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಐತಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ therefore UPAC name, IUPAC name of this compound is 2-bromo 2-methyl propane, or it is commonly known as tertiary butyl bromide. Is it clear? See, this is classification of monohalogenes based on the nature of the carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached. Now another one is classification of C sp3 X compounds. If the classification of C sp3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, they are further classified as say classification of C. Now let me write sp3 X will have bond, then X halogen atom. However, X compounds. See, here we are going to have first one allylic halide or halides, allylic halides. See, these are the halogen compounds, organic halogen compounds in which halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon double bond. ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. So therefore ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಮೊದಲ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ. These are organic halogen compounds in which halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon double bond. Is it clear? See, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you will come to know what exactly these allylic halides. Is it right? See, now here example CH2 double bond CH2 Br. This is called as allyl bromide. This is called as allyl bromide. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ಬನೇಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಐತಿ, ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ಬನೇಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಐತಿ ಅದರದ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sp3. ಈ sp3 ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನೇಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Have you got it? What are allylic halides? Allylic halides are the organic halogen compounds in which halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon carbon double. Is it right? One more example you may take. Let me write a cyclic compound. Let me write a cyclic compound. So this is a cyclic compound. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರಿ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೇನ್. ಇದರೊಳಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಇದು sp3 hybridized carbon atom. ಏನಂತಲ್ಲ this is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So ಈ sp3 hybridized carbon atom ಗೆ suppose if you write chlorine, now it will become allylic halide. Is it right? Now coming to second one ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ benzylic halides. Coming to benzylic halides. So what are benzylic halides? The organic halogen compounds in which halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to benzene ring. You can say no change. Is it clear? So what is the change? Change is here you have written next to carbon carbon double bond of thing bande adar bande benzene ring or aromatic ring. Is it right? See, these are organic halogen compounds in which halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to benzene ring or aromatic ring. Then they are called as benzylic halides. See, now let me take the example. Benzene ring. ಈ benzene ring ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರು sp3 ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್. ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಕ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ದ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ sp3. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಯಾವುದು ಮಾಡೈತಿ it is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to what? Next to benzene. So this is the example. Is it clear? Yeah. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಹಂಚಿ ನೀವು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಗರಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ರೈಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ CH3 ಬರೀರಿ C2H5 ಬರೀರಿ whatever it may be. What is the definition? Halogen atom is present on the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This sp3 hybridized carbon atom is next attached to benzene. Is it clear? Now, coming to last one, that is classification of compounds containing CsP2X bond. Classification of compounds containing CsP2X bond. CsP2X bond. See, yeah. Now, classification of compounds containing CsP2X bond. X bond. See, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Then how we are going to have the classification? We are going to classify these as vinyl halides or vinylic halides, and another one is aryl halides. Already we have seen aryl halides under one, haloaryls under one. Is it clear? Aryl halides or haloaryls, they are same. Is it right? See here, A or first one. Yenidu vinylic halides. What are vinylic halides? These are the organic halogen compounds in which halogen atom is directly attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond. These are organic halogen compounds in which halogen atom is attached directly to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. sp2 hybridized carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond double bond. Then they are called as vinylic halides. See example. You may take CH2 double bond CHCl, which is commonly known as vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. PVC pipe ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ? PVC, what is this PVC? Polyvinyl chloride. Means vinyl chloride is the monomer used to get polyvinyl chloride, polymer pipe, PVC pipe. Right? Then next one is B. Yav aryl halides. See, what are aryl halides? These are the aromatic halogen compounds in which halogen atom is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring or benzene ring. See, these are aromatic halogen compounds in which in which halogen atom is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of benzene ring or aromatic ring. Then they are called as aryl halides. Example: chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. You may take any example. Is it clear? See, this is regarding classification of haloalkanes and haloalkanes. So, what we are going to discuss tomorrow? One is nature of this CX bond, carbon halogen bond in haloalkanes. Methods of preparation of we have to study in the nomenclature of these haloalkanes and haloaryls. Nomenclature ನೋಡಿದ ನಂತರ nature of carbon halogen bond. Is it clear? Yes. Thank you.